How to refund defective products on Pop Mart. If you received a defective product from Pop Mart, here's how you can request a refund or replacement. If you bought the product from a Pop Mart store, then you can return it to any Pop Mart store within 15 days of purchase, but you need to have the original receipt. Without the receipt, defective returns cannot be processed for refund or exchange. Common issues considered defective include missing parts, broken or scratched components, duplicates in blind box sets, instability, stains, discoloration, and excessive glue. If you have bought the Pop Mart online, then you can contact the customer support. For that, head over to popmart.com, scroll all the way down, and you will find two options: chat and email. If you want to send an email, you can simply copy this email address, which is na.support@popmart.com. Now go ahead and compose your email. You need to send at least 3 photos of the entire product. Make sure that you send clear images showing any defective parts, with defects marked and described. Now send it. Now the customer support will review it, and if it is valid, they will refund or replace your product. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.